Mike, how's everybody doing today? Nice to see you. Absolutely. Gonna make some good money today. We got some excellent trading happening right here with the stock market. It's Thursday, July 27th at 8:30 a.m. Looking pretty strong. Facebook is up $10, 18. Amazon's up 18. Facebook's up 13. Twitter's down 2. Pretty crazy, man. Wild start of the day. VRX is back to 18. I can't believe that. Fell to 9. See that? It fell down here to 9. Lower even. Back up to 18. Amazing. Be right back, folks. Hey folks, it's Mike. So yeah, I got a phone. Always get a phone call during the show, but it wasn't a sales call. So we have a nice looking day happening right here. Markets, it's early. I'll go through my pre-market routine in a couple of minutes right here. Just check out my screen and I'll be back. Hey guys, Pro Trader Mike back on the scene. Good morning. I've been up early. I had a terrible sleep last night, man, for some reason. Last couple of days. All right, we are ready for some trade. This is my golf towel. I always use it for trading because my hands get all sweaty from trading when the stocks start to move. Trying to get the best angle for the mic. Let me see what the setting is on the back. Turn that up a little bit. That's on the right. So I'm gonna check that setting later. Microphone settings are important. All right. It's supposed to be like that. Correct. Let's see what we got going on. Good morning, everybody on YouTube and Beam and Twitch. So we have some good stocks. The market is up. Amazon's up 15. I think, this is just when the big boys are wrong. Remember how, when we're wrong, and then the next day it continues to go higher and we get auto closed because we're wrong, we can't take it? That's what happens now to the big boys. That's why all these stocks are up. Amazon and all these other ones, they just can't take it no more. What's up, MOJO Day Trade Room? Pro Trader Mike, good morning. Nice to see you. Saw live on the tuber. And good morning. Nice. Good to see you. Nice to see you. Morning. So I think the big boys are... So I think the big boys with Facebook and these stocks, they're just wrong. Now they're getting all punished. Like the last day, Then they'll be stopped out. Then it'll reverse and they'll get all how when you're wrong and then you get stopped out and then it reverses and goes the other way. Right in your face. That's what's going to happen to all these things with these guys in the next day or so here. Twitter's down $2. Why is Twitter down $2? See the news. Twitter. Learn how Twitter earns money. Weaker than expected user growth. Yeah, big deal. We all know that. Everything's weak about Twitter. So it's so easy to say Twitter's weak or Twitter's bad. They always do that. PME up 40 cents. Pigmentin. There was a couple of stocks in the Mojo room this morning that were up tremendously crazy. Let me show you they were. AAOI is right at 100 now. Can you believe it? 99.50, guys, right at the hunch. The CAPR, Capr, put that one up on the screen. Saw it this morning originally at 135. It's now 145. That's Capr. Another one we had, SVXY. This is what they're talking about with UVXY. It's a good article. I'll go to it in a minute. And this Amazon right here, up 13. It's up 16 now. And then Twitter at 17.79. It's lower now, down 2 points, and Facebook was up 10 points. Now it's up 12.5. And this was the DCIX. Look at this one. Diana Container Ships. Look at it. $1.14 by 21. I checked it out this morning. It only had 15,000 shares. It still has a weak volume. But 103 by 109. It's 114 by 21 now. That's amazing, huh? And there's a couple of other ones Right here, we sold UVXY yesterday. It's an amazing buy right now. We're going to do it today again. It's a gift at 28.65. We shut it out yesterday at 29.23 right there. It just took a little longer to make $1,000 on it, that's all. JNUG went up $1. Had JNUG 1,000 and UV 1,000. Look, JNUG went up $1 yesterday, and UV kind of like took a while to go. But JNUG ripped. Look what JNUG did yesterday. Right here, 17.25 to 18.50. Big move on the JNUG. And it happened in 1 hour. It didn't do nothing all day. See? Nothing all day. And then all of a sudden in 1 hour. Same kind of thing with the UV. Didn't really, and then all of a sudden took off. Did nothing all day. I'm expecting the same kind of volatility today with the market. I don't short. There's no shorting dry ships. There's only when it turns long. I'm not a shorter. What is dry ships at? $1.03? Maybe basing out right here. Do another short squeeze. The lower it goes, the less range it has. When it was up at 2 and 3, it can go 50 cents and $1. Now what, it can go 30 cents? Big deal. It's not. They're going to trap it with too much volume on each side now. There's not a lot of room that it can go. So that's the deal on dry ships. Don't get caught. Only time you play dry ships, why everybody's buzzed back on the dry ships because of the move it made the other day. But it's like the ship is sunk, man. You didn't hear the warning bells go off when it was at 375 and reversed to 350 and 330. That was the end of the trade. Then it went under 3, then it went under 250, then it went under 2. Now it's at $1. I mean, the ship sank, man. The clear bell went off, hit the iceberg at 350, and that was the end of it. Female health, taking no volume. AVEO, taking no volume. UCTT, $25 stock. It's nice. VRX is nice. Capr. Here's a 145/7. This is a nice one because it's 311. Let me put up some other one. NAKD. SHOR. AXTI. I'll show you these ones from yesterday too. Check these out. My size is up there. AKCA. LPSN, live person. Netgear. NTGR and MBOT. Check out the stock yesterday. TQM. Look at this guy, shows me the stock. Look at this daily chart. TMQ maybe. Yeah, look at this stock, dudes. Isn't that amazing? It went through yesterday. It didn't show up here. It went through the top of my screen. Amazing, isn't that one? Look at that stock. That ship sailed, didn't it? Trilogy Metals. Isn't that unbelievable? Trilogy Metals. Found this, FFBC. Let's check it out. Hey, my guys are contributing. Amazing. FFBC, First Finance. I don't do banks, and it's down. Not a good pattern. Easy fold. What's the other one? MSFG. $31. Also, red one-day bar. Not interested. Two bad patterns. Want me to show you what's wrong with those, Cody? Want me to show you what's wrong with that, Cody? Hey. Well, he's not listening, but I'll show you guys anyway on Twitter. Right here, the reason why these patterns aren't good, you see this pattern right here? See that red bar pattern? See it? It goes like this. It goes like this. It's all filled in with red. And that's the bar right there. See it? This bar goes from 34.50 on the bottom to 37 at the top. Now, see all these lines? Pick which one you own it at yesterday. I picked this line right here. Your brother owns it at this line. Your sister owns it here. Your dad owns it here. Your cousin owns it here. Your dog owns it there. Your goldfish owns it there. Your cat owns it there. Your parakeet owns it there. Your neighbor owns it there. His neighbor owns it there. And every single person's cost basis is right all up the whole ladder. So every single time it runs up, someone's going to smash it back down because they got even from yesterday, thank goodness. It's the worst trading stock ever. That's what happens all day long. Got it? ARWR. Yeah, this is a good one. Thanks, man. What was the other one? TOO, Carol? TK Offshore Partners, up 46 cents on 167. Nice look, Carol. I wouldn't have had that if it wasn't for you today. Thanks, my dear. A little kiss this morning. A little marabou on the bustafoo. We're gonna give it a little bustafoo, right? Give it a little bustafoo. Tesla pre-earnings. I don't trade Tesla. It's too much money. Too much. Pass. Fold. No thank you. You can go trade options on Tesla if you want to. I'm not touching that stock. I got other ones I do. I got other stocks I concentrate on that I do. Because I got the MOJ. So I got some good things happening with the a lot of new pro traders in the room, guys. Coming in. Very pleased with my room and the pro traders. Real happy about that. And we have got putting together the course into a book. All the slides into a book. Real cool. Oh, yeah, I got to do that. Into like a book. PDF. But I got to arrange it. I got to move the hinds closer to the beginning of the course than at the end. I got to incorporate more of that in the beginning. I got to mix, because now that I got the new update, and now I got to rearrange the curriculum to the correct order. LPSN, I remember when this thing was $3. $3. I love UVXY down here. It's such an easy trade play for a 3-buy scale in right now. You can't lose. You want me to show you how you can't lose on UVXY? Watch. Let me show you how Mojo trades. So right now we're in a 3-bar down. I started my scale. Right here. It went like this. So UVXY is right here right now. I started right here at 70 and under. See it on the 3rd bar? And I'm buying right here. Let's say we go for 1,000 shares. So I buy 100. That's where it is right now, 100 shares. See it? At 65 by 68. That's where it is. So I buy 100 right here at this line. Filled. See? Watch. It goes higher. above 70. At 71, I'll add 900. So I'm long 1,000. I'll have a cost basis above the price of the stock right here, so I can't lose. And the higher it goes, the more money I make. That's a great trade. If it goes lower, at 68, I'll wait, and I'll go at 51 in that 48 range. As soon as it busts right there, I'm going to buy more, another 200 shares. So my cost basis will be around 56. As soon as this thing rebounds back up off of that on 300 shares, I'm break even. I didn't lose a dime. That's it. Can't lose, boys. And this one I only had 300 shares down here. This one I had 1,000 shares. Look at the difference. That's Mojo ability. If you don't trade like that, good luck. That's like, how could you not trade like that? It's like trying to make every putt from across the green. Why wouldn't you want to put it next to the hole and tap it in? Know what I mean? DBA, let's check it out. 1970, Power Shares Agriculture Fund. Nice. How about it? I won't trade it, I don't know it. But thank you. I only trade stocks I know, folks. But thank you. I like that. Yeah, those were the bank stock. Cool, everyone's contributing nice this morning. Thank you so much. Look at that. What a shift. What a shift. Yeah, that's the play. You can't lose. Absolutely not. Look at AAOI. It's right at 100. You think it's going to go through today, finally? That'd be amazing, huh? Twitter's down $2. Facebook's up 11 on the reversal now because it was up 13. See that? I'm surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if it never rebounds back up to where it was. It was at 179. Went through 100 one day. See? Look what happened when it went through Heinz 100. As soon as it touched 111, went right to 23. Next day went to 29. Next time went to 34. Next time went right up here to 51. I know my numbers, folks. It's the same on every single stock. After it went to 51, it made the stopping station right back at 44. And that's the daily chart. Happens on the same thing all the time. See, look at it, it's getting destroyed now. UV's going to go up in a 2-minute lag because this is coming down. UV's going to go up. Watch. See it? It's a reversal lag. It does the inverse of what those stocks do. It's awesome. Awesome. Let me show you some good trades right here, folks. This right here is the V-Band Wow trade play that I did on dry ships the other day at $1.50. Then it went to 3, 324, 375. Now it's at $1. This is what I'm talking about. You missed it. This is what happened. People traded it and did great on it 4 times. Then on the 5th trade right here at 375, you went to the bathroom and came back and it was at 275 and now it's at $1 and you lost so much money you can't believe it. And you're denying that the ship is sinking and actually you think it's still good, but it ain't. And that's the V-Band Wow trade play that we did in the Mojo room long from $1.50 to 375 on dry ships. Here's AQXP on the move from 18. Here's the auto close buy-in from 32 to 55. I made 18 points in 5 minutes on that stock. Here's the move from 2 to 11 on AQXP. Right after my birthday on August 3rd. It was one of the greatest birthday gifts of all time. Drove it from 2 to 11, and then from 11 to 12, and then from 18 to 56. Nailed it, boys. That's what I did with that one. Got all my boys with me right now. They watch over like tigers. Like a tiger, man. That's what we do. Got some new testimonials in the room. Let's check it out. Yesterday, Randy had to leave after 10 a.m., but had his best day in the demo. Was profitable on multiple trades for my best day yet in my learning process. Very small profits, but larger in the positive expectancy arena. Mike's teaching is great, and his patience with slow learners like myself goes far above what most people would do. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike. You're welcome. Randy's on a roll. He hit a hole-in-one. He's on a roll in the demo. I'm changing him. Look, amazing. He hit a hole-in-one. Look, Mike, I went to play 9 holes, journaling my morning trades on the back 9 on my regular course. Hole 15, par 3, 139. The last thing I did before putting the tee in the ground was look to calculate the time I needed to prepare for MOJO U class. Then I stood over the ball. And the last thought I came was Pro Trader Mike. And I went to hit my first ace, my first hole-in-one in my 34-year golfing career. Amazing, dude. Sick.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Give that an applause, Bubsy. This is from the other day on 6:30. I traded my first hour this morning. Small improvements, even with the simple things like arranging my screen, that it works for me. I journaled everything and go all over my trades, and I'm a Mojo junkie. I like that. I have 150 of these in here. Let's pick a good one from a while back. One of my women. Let's see, a bowling one, a popcorn one, pencils, money. That's a good money one. Anybody in Canada? Here's Cayman. He's been with me for 4 years. Oh, no, a little less. I'm sorry. January 26th, 2015. So that's 16, 17, 2 years and 4 months, 5 months. It's a good long time. He's an engineer in Canada that discovered MOJO Day Trading while looking for an alternative to the ups and downs that the technology and energy sectors have provided throughout his career. Since graduating MOJO University, he currently joins the MOJO team at the start of each day to supplement his income and continue to refine his trading skills. He's actively working towards his goal of trading full-time with the MOJO team to complete financial security for his wife and 2 children. He's been with the MOJO team for 24 months. And that was in 2015. I think I was a combination. He didn't write that. I think I wrote that one. Here's a good one from somebody. Pro Trader Donna. The women with the lipstick. She's still with me in the room. Oh, here's a long one. Pro Trader Haran. A good one. Some cats. 2015. Pro Trader Dodge. He's cool, dude. I've never done anything like this before. I've sold my own shares. I acquired a share in an incentive plan for a company I used to work for, this drink company. So if I can learn this and put it into action, then I'm sure anyone can, because this guy, Pro Trader Mike, really knows his stuff when it comes to trading the stock market. I stumbled across Pro Trader Mike in my Twitter feed and watched a video replay of the MOJO Day Trading Room. I could not believe what I was seeing. It was amazing to watch. However, with that said, I'm a little skeptical. I decided to delve in deeper after watching Pro Trader Mike's stuff for a month. I was convinced he's the real deal. I signed up for the newsletter, then the trading room, and emailed him a few questions about MOJO University. There's a lot to learn in MOJO University for a complete newbie like myself. However, Pro Trader Mike is just as good as teaching as what he preaches, as well as trades in the day trade room. Keeps you focused on Mojo University with great interaction, brilliant analogies, real-life examples, and humor too. I really like the fact that you can watch the video replays over and over in the members area. And now it's even more advanced. I have Mojo University, the dashboard with the courses. It's phenomenal compared to what I had in the old days for these guys. I'm confident to go to battle in the trading arena with the skills that I've learned from Mojo University. How to scale in and out of trades. Trade plays like the Heinz, stopping stations, lemon squeeze, the Hulk, buying sequences, the importance of patience, journaling, reading the level 2. Dude, I could have wrote, this is something like perfect for this is sick. The importance of journal and level 2, positive expectancy and outcome. My favorite part is being shown what to do and what not to do when stocks don't go as expected. I doubt anybody teaches stuff like that. The life preserver trade play, I believe. I've been on many courses throughout my career, and I give this one a 10 out of 10. I think Mojo University is a great value for the money. I've paid upwards to $10,000 for some courses, I didn't know that, in the past, on a different career. Oh, okay. That don't even come close to this. Cool. I'm very thankful to have learned from a master who is transparent with his teachings and real-life examples of his 99% accuracy over many years. I do have one bone to pick with you, though. I only wish I found Pro Trader Mike a lot sooner. Cheers, mate. Pro Trader Dodge. That's an awesome one, man. Awesome. I got some new guys coming in to the room. Hold on a second. So what do we got here? He put up a Velocity Shares, MZV. Yeah, nice. We got a analyst on board, Pro Trader Ali, analyst extraordinaire, hooking up the room. Who are these people coming in the room that I don't know? J-Bill? Who's all these people? I have to check it out. I'll be right back. Give me 10 seconds. Nice to have the mute on. Had the mute on, the mic, the whole time. That was nice on YouTube. Last 5 minutes. Had the mute on. That was pretty good. Looked over. I'm like, oh, mute's on YouTube. That's nice. I've been talking in the room. So I was saying UVXY had 53,000 shares when it traded right here at 70. It hasn't moved. It traded up to 228. Hasn't moved. Got the screen share going live. MBRX looks pretty good, especially if they buy the ask right at 230. Molecular and Biotech right here, this one. See it? Could make a move right here to 244 and go higher. JDST looks nice. We played JNUG unbelievable yesterday for a $1 move on JNUG. Some really nice stocks we've been trading, getting away from the little ones because they're not even in play with low volume, and getting into the more liquid, big moving stocks. We've traded naked brands many times. See this pattern right here? This is the same one I told you about. It's terrible. All these people are getting out here today that got stuck. They can't believe it's up on 30,000 shares. It's probably a trick for these people to get out. Here's another one we did through 3 yesterday that may go through 3 again, but it's tight. Traded 8 million. We'll keep an eye on it. CSTM 890. Constitute. Capr's the one. We just got to keep an eye on it. See it right here through the 162. Off to the moon. That's the move right there, 162. It did it to 153 first and then 162. It already went to 76, but there was a flash in the pan. See, 13,002. Probably try to get front run, then he couldn't do it, but it may get front run. That's an example of being front run right there. 5,000 shares, see that? And someone bought that. They boughting that. A couple of people. It's perfect amount on this little stock. And then they buy it, and they hold, and then they front run it to their room. They'll tell everyone to buy it, and then they'll sell it into them. It's perfect front run stock. See it? CAPR. That's what these big rooms do. That have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people. Oh, I got the largest room, 1,000 people. Well, this is what they do to you. The moderator is going to show you, hey, I made money on Capr, but 80% of the room didn't. 99.64, Alan. Can you believe it on Gerardo? Can you believe it on that thing? It's going to be $100. I know, $100. This guy J Bill, I'm getting him out of here now. So now he ain't coming back. Where is he? And now I kicked him out because I put something on my site about the free chat, and all people are coming in now. I put it up this morning with the free chat. Yeah, Gerardo, do you want to see AAOI, buddy? Do you want to see? Look, let me show you something real quick, okay? Let me just show you something. Look at this chart, dude. Look what I did. This is the next lesson for Mojo University. Look, I'll show it to you. Look, current earnings, earnings per share, shares outstanding, market Momo leader. This is the Ken Slim at $53.32 that I bought the stock. Isn't that unbelievable? Look at it. Up 144% this year, 9% next year on 17.2 with 46, 99 relative strength, A group ranking, SMR A, accumulation distribution A+, composite rating 99, timeliness B, growth rate 248, growing from a penny to $4 a share. That's a freaking stock, boys. That's how I pick them. This is the research that I do. I ain't showing it with you. You can't have that. That's amazing. That's money. Yeah. You like how I did that chart, right? put that together for my boys. For my boys, I put that chart. We're going to do that in the swing course. I got that ready. I got that ready for the swing course. Nice. Want to see my comic this week? Here's my comic. Mojo has a stock that could really excel. Really excel? Excel. Sell. 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 Sells. That happens in the room. And then he goes, Pro Trader Mike, just shut it down. I'm out of here. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye? Bye. 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 That's how it happens in the Mojo room. People get confused. I'm like, dude, the stock can really excel. They're like, what, should we sell it? I'm like, dude, I'm out of here. Goodbye. They're like, what? Buy? What? I'm like, no, dude, we're done. We're done for the day. Let me show you the daily plan. Here's the daily plan. Right here. Today's trading plan, folks. Right here. There's the plan. Is the ship sinking? I don't know. Rita's going up. R-E-T-A. Rita. Rita Pharmaceuticals. Rita in the 5 minute. Rita. Yo, Rita. I'm coming for you. Rita. Here I come, Rita. Coming for you. Can you believe VRX is 18 again? It's amazing. I can't believe AAOI is going through 100. We're going to finally see it today, man. We're going to finally see it. Look at this stock, Constellamium. Constellamium. Darn, dude. It's like Fwanka. Like that Fwanka stock. Yo, guys, I'm Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading. Should I keep the screen share going live for when the market opens, or should I shut it off? See what YouTube's up there. I got a bunch of people watching. YouTube, should I keep it live or shut it off for you? AMD's not rocking like it was, man. It's going to trick people. I think the whole market's going to trick people. Nah, I'm shutting it off, boys. Not keeping it live. I'll update you what happens on the Mojo show in the afternoon. You like it? You can come to the Mojo room, man. It's where all the action happens. Not on YouTube, 15 seconds delayed. I just hurt you off the open. You can see it. What do we got in here? 80. How much we got online right here? What do we got here? We got 81 in the room right now. Listen, come to the room, man. Be part of the group. We'll get up to 100 right now. You connect right here to my voice chat. You're listening to me in the room. Oh, yeah, you got to pay to play. No doubt. Even my boys say that. See? Totally. Listen, Pro Trader Mike signing off, guys. Peace. Trade well. Keep it profitable. And get some skills, man. Lose your strategy because strategies don't work. Get a system. If you need one, I'll hook you up with the system. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. See you later. Have a good day.